Alright, stop scrolling. I am about to explain a crypto called Atom in 5 minutes with zero boring buzzwords. And yes, there will be jokes, because if you wanted to be bored, you would go read the IRS tax code. So Atom, no, it's not what your science teacher yelled about when you microwaved a fork. Atom is actually the token powering Cosmos, also known as the Internet of Blockchains. Instead of one chain to rule them all, Cosmos is like Tinder for blockchains. Swipe right, connect, no awkward ghosting. Stick around because at the end I will tell you why people say Atom could secretly be the Wi-Fi of the entire crypto world. Okay, imagine every blockchain is a different country. Bitcoin speaks caveman, me, send coin. Ethereum speaks full Shakespeare, but it charges you gas fees like you are driving a Lamborghini. Then there is Cosmos, who says, let us all speak the same language and maybe not stab each other with high fees. Atom is the passport to travel between these countries. Think of Cosmos like the United Nations, but without 6-hour boring speeches. And Atom is your badge that lets you into the VIP lounge. Here is the thing. Right now, blockchains do not talk to each other. It's like having an iPhone that cannot text an Android. Awkward. Cosmos solves that with something called the Inter-Blockchain Communication Protocol, or IBC, which honestly sounds like a new brand of beer, but trust me, this one actually connects chains. So yeah, Atom does not just sit around. It's like the Wi-Fi router in your house. If it goes down, suddenly everyone is screaming, crying, and blaming the dog. Atom is used for staking, which basically means locking it up so the network runs smoothly, and in return, you earn rewards. Think of it like putting your crypto on a treadmill, and it comes back with protein shakes. Seriously, staking Atom is like lending your car to a friend, but instead of it coming back with scratches and weird smells, it comes back with extra cash in the glove box. That is staking rewards. Some people say Cosmos is competing with Ethereum, Polkadot, Avalanche, but Cosmos is different. Instead of trying to be the one mega blockchain, it's building an ecosystem where hundreds of chains can plug in and actually talk. Imagine the Avengers, but instead of saving the world, they are saving your transaction fees. And let us be real, nobody wants to pay $50 just to move a $20 meme coin. That is like paying a $50 delivery fee for a $1 cheeseburger. Ethereum, I'm looking at you. So why does Atom matter? Because if Cosmos succeeds, it becomes the invisible glue that holds the entire crypto multiverse together. Imagine Netflix, Disney Plus, and HBO all merging into one app, but without fighting over who owns Baby Yoda. That is Cosmos. And if that happens, Atom holders will be laughing all the way to the blockchain, which is basically a bank, but without the angry lady telling you you are in the wrong line. Now, am I saying Atom will moon tomorrow and buy you a Lambo? No. But can Atom be the boring but essential infrastructure that literally every other chain uses? Oh yeah, it's like the Wi-Fi. Nobody brags about it at parties, but without it, the party dies in 2 minutes. So the real alpha here, Atom might not be the loudest token with flashy marketing, but it could be the quiet backbone of Web3. The crypto world is full of hype coins that promise to be the next Doge. Cosmos just quietly built the airport everyone else is flying into. If you actually understood 50% of what I just said, congrats, you are now smarter than half of crypto Twitter. Smash that like button before your Atom goes to the moon without you. And subscribe, because I promise to keep roasting blockchains until one of them finally sponsors me. And remember, it's called Cosmos, not cosplay. Do not show up to a crypto meetup in a Pikachu outfit. Trust me, I tried. Did not end well. This was Atom in 5 minutes, your funny, slightly chaotic guide to crypto. Now go impress your friends by casually dropping inter-blockchain communication in conversation. Peace out.